Hello and welcome. My name is John Jamadi and I'm presenting you the Double Digit Coaching Kit. So, a bit of a background about Double Digit Coaching. Double Digit Coaching was created 5 years ago after I helped my mum get under 100 kilos. I had a light bulb moment to create a coaching program to help ladies over 100 kilos get under 100 kilos, working on mindset, self love, self compassion, and simple exercise and nutrition with a safe place for ladies to be able to express themselves and to be able to get to their goals in a safe place. So I'm going to take you through the exact kit where every lady who is over 100 kilos needs to get under 100 kilos. So the first step to this beautiful kit is pillar 1, the forgiveness method. So for change to happen, for us to finally lose this weight, we have to forgive ourselves and let go of the blame and the shame. And once we let go of the past and we step into a new version of ourselves, we burn those boats, we're able to move forward. But for that to happen, we have to forgive and use the most powerful thing in the world to be able to achieve this, which is love. Self-love, self-compassion, and also the love around us. And usually the people around us and the people who we love the most is usually our why, okay? But we can't pour from an empty cup, all right? And by forgiveness, we're able to move forward and actually believe that we can do this, okay? So the next one is pillar 2. I call this the mindset pathfinder. So we first need to get your mind in the right place to move forward, and so we need to get you on the right path, hence the name Pathfinder. So this is where we're going to work on your habits, your routines, your rituals, your perspective, how to not give up when things get hard. Again, how to put yourself first, how to make sure that this is a lifestyle change. We have to use words that are positive to be able to make you to move forward. Like, my background was that when I was younger, I used to make a big joke about my weight. I used to call myself a fat whale to protect myself from the bullies. But unfortunately, it did serve me because it stopped me getting picked on and bullied because they found me funny. However, what happened was that I had a identity of now the fat one. And so what happens when you language something, you identify something, you believe something, you tell yourself stories on why. So my story was like, oh, the reason why I'm fat is because my mom's fat. And then I believed that, and then you knew I actioned it, right? So once we change that, and if we could even say that I have more weight than I would like, but I'm doing everything in my power to change this, that helps the subconscious mind be like, okay, I'm working on not being that person anymore. And then the identity is now different. You are now got an identity of a healthy person. The story that you tell yourself, well, of course I'm going to eat nutritious food. Of course I'm going to go to the gym. And then you believe it, then you action it. So that's pillar 2. Pillar 3 is the Everest environment. So losing weight feels like you're climbing Mount frickin' Everest, and no one should climb Everest alone. You should do it with like-minded people on the same journey as you. Other ladies in triple digits, going to the double digits, and you do it as a team. They understand you, they know what you're going through, they know your pains and your problems, and you can climb up Everest together. And so if you're with like-minded ladies, that's when change is going to really happen. And environment, as well as languages that I mentioned before, is critical for change to happen. If you're in a negative environment, it's possible, but very, very challenging to make changes happen, okay? So that's pillar number 3. Pillar number 4 is what I call the accountability code. So accountability is really important to change. If you want to achieve anything in life, you need a coach, you need a teacher, okay? And throughout everything, we're taught that. It's like our parents, our first teachers, a coach, our sports coaches, our teachers too. We need teachers in life to show us what to do. It's just common sense. So we need people to hold us accountable. We need someone to show us the ropes, okay? It's like if you watch Star Wars, for example, Luke Skywalker needed Yoda or Obi-Wan Kenobi or whatever they're called, right? So you need a mentor. Very important. Someone to hold you accountable every step of the way that knows what they're talking about. Because it's very easy in these day and ages, especially if we struggle with this, to be able to like, I'll do tomorrow, and tomorrow never comes. Or like, for example, if there's something wrong with my car, I'm not going to try and fix it myself because I'll blow up the engine. I'm going to go to the mechanic and get it fixed. If you want to get to the double digits, you come to the double digit coach, okay? So that's pillar 4. Pillar 5 is the DDC Phantom Diet and the Unorthodox Exercise System. You're probably wondering, what is this, John? So the Phantom Diet is all in the name. It's you're on a diet, but you don't feel like you're on a diet. And how we do this is that we fill you up with PP, plants and protein. So the fiber and the protein is going to keep you fuller for longer. It has also a thermal effect as well. So it takes the body more time to break this down. Therefore, you're not going to feel, it's going to expend more energy, which is great. It's going to expend more energy. Therefore, it's going to help you to lose weight. And you're going to feel so full and you're going to have so much volume of food because things that usually are high in protein and high in fiber are low in calories. And how you lose weight, time and time again, is being in a calorie deficit. So the Phantom Diet makes it really easy and you're going to feel full. So then you're not going to feel like eating foods that are high in calories or overeating. It works great. So that's why the Phantom Diet is amazing. Then the next one is the Unorthodox Exercise System. And the whole thing with this is that we make exercise fun and we find things that you like. And we have an app that's full of workouts and we'll find something that you enjoy. It could be, using the workouts on the app. It could be a chair fit class. It could be a walking class. It could be coming to the gym with me. It could be doing yoga. It could be doing Zumba. It could be maybe jumping in the pool. Maybe doing aqua aerobics. It could be just different things. Just find what you like, and then it's so much easier to create a habit with things that you like. So here we go. So this is Jessie. She's lost actually over 60 kilos working with us, but the screen's so short. It says 56.4 kilos in 36 weeks. And Jessie absolutely smashed it out of the park, as you can see from here. Okay. Then we have the other Jess, right? She lost 40 kilos. Lou over on the left, she lost 40 kilos as well. And incredible, and they credit Double Digit Coaching to helping them achieve all these goals. Especially, I know Lou really enjoyed the mindset and the community a lot, and just loved the community and the nutrition. Then here we have Leanne, who's looks like a completely different person, as you can see. She lost 26 kilos. And then you see Julie over here, and she lost 75 kilos. Yes, 75 kilos. Not pounds, kilos. I know, crazy. And as you can see, these results are incredible. And I'd love for you to get these results as well. And I want to help another 1,000 ladies get to the double digits, right? And this is my passion. I created this after, me as a child, my biggest fear growing up was that something was going to happen to my mum. And that's why I'm so passionate about this. Not only helping mothers, which is incredible, helping our ladies, but I know that their children are worried about them. And I was once that child. So I really want to help you. So I have a special offer for you today. So what we got is that for life you'll get this: the forgiveness method, the mindset pathfinder, the DDC Phantom Diet, and the orthodox exercise system. That is yours for life with the special offer that we have today. Plus, for 7 days, you get access to our DDC app. Our ladies absolutely love it. There's so many workouts on there, reminders, accountability. It also links up with our nutrition apps as well. It's just a game changer having the DDC app. Then also you get access to our community of like-minded ladies on the same journey as you. You'll also get 2 live workshops on nutrition and exercise. If you can't make it live, you can just watch the replay and you'll get access to that. Then you'll have 2 coaching calls with myself where I'll be there to coach you every step of the way. And so down below we have a special offer. We're only doing this for a short period of time because we can't offer this for that long. It is just too good. And so spaces are limited. We can only take so many people on, especially that there's so much of our time going into this, okay? So click the link below, get a special offer today, and it's not going to be around for that much longer, and we are going to put the price up. So please, if you're serious in making this happen, click the link below, and I'll absolutely love to help you.